Paris, France, November 21, 2024. Paris and the Île-de-France region have been placed under orange alert for snow and freezing rain this Thursday, November 21, 2024. Due to the forecast of snowfall on Thursday, November 21, 2024, the Prefect of Police and the Prefect of the Paris Defense and Security Zone have called on drivers to exercise caution and have activated emergency level 2 measures. We tell you all about it. The Paris Prefecture of Police, led by Laurent Nunez, has declared an increased alert across the Île-de-France region between 11 o'clock and 2000. Météo France expects a heavy snowstorm, starting in the morning and crossing the region before moving eastward in the evening. Traffic conditions are likely to be difficult, despite the salting and snow clearing operations carried out by the Direction des Routes d'Île-de-France.
Look, start to be white.
The police prefect has imposed traffic restrictions on several major roads in the region to cope with the winter weather. A 250 kilometers (155 miles) long traffic jam was recorded this morning at 1300. Traffic was at a standstill on the RN10, especially near Trop. Heavy goods vehicles were stuck on the N12 and the A86. Some stretches of the N12 southwest of Paris and its suburbs were icy, causing traffic jams. In Vélizy, snow made bus traffic difficult. Many routes were disrupted. The same goes for bus routes south of the Yvelines. The prefects of Yvelines and Essonne have suspended school transport for Wednesday. Parents are invited to pick up their children from 3 p.m. In Seine-et-Marne, not only school transport but also entire bus routes were disrupted on Friday.
Niciun ban nu a dat. Soluționat fondul că să-l aștept și de bani. Nu online în snow.
Sarap ng snow. Tapos matakot.
Authorities urge commuters to be extra vigilant. If you absolutely must travel, use public transport, equip yourself with snow tires, and prepare a survival kit including warm clothing, food and water. Motorists are invited to check real-time traffic conditions on site at an Urbison Fute, as well as the weather forecast on the Météo France website. For your own safety and that of others, clear the snow in front of your house and salt the sidewalks without blocking the drains. Avoid contact with fallen electrical cables, and only use heating appliances that meet the relevant standards. These measures are designed to prevent accidents and limit disruption in areas where bad weather is rare. Therefore, caution is required to get through this episode completely safely.
সবাই ভালো আছেন আশা করি আজকে প্যারিসে ডিগ্রি চলে আজকে আমার প্রথম স্নো দেখা বাট আমার 1.5 বছর হয়ে গেছে, বাট বেশি ঠান্ডা হয় নাই, মানে
Perdón.
The risk of snow and freezing rain could also affect traffic on the roads of the Île-de-France region this Thursday, November 21st. Motorists are therefore urged to be extremely vigilant, and to be aware of the instructions and traffic conditions before taking action. The snow that fell in France on Thursday, especially in Paris and the Île-de-France region, could turn into black ice in areas where temperatures will drop below freezing at night. Regarding public transport, we review the situation and routes affected by the bad weather this Friday, November 22nd.
তো খুব বেশি দিতেছে। আজকে সকাল থেকে শুরু হয়েছে এখন পর্যন্ত।
It snowed in Paris on Thursday, November 21st, a magical sight that brought many people to the Eiffel Tower to capture some rare images, especially at this time of year. Throughout the day, snowflakes blanketed the city, transforming the capital into a fairy tale landscape. However, this ephemeral beauty forced the Eiffel Tower to close its doors to visitors. The 300-meter-high monument offers stunning views of the city, but the winter weather conditions pose a safety risk to visitors. The coming night could worsen the conditions with heavy frost, making the ground slippery and increasing the risk of accidents. This caution is justified after severe weather events, such as last year's Storm Kiran, which caused significant damage.